Hi guys, you're watching Honduras, your personal travel explorer. If you are a delightful nature lover, then it is time to explore the Morni Fort situated at Morni Hills, Panchkula. The fort houses a museum and nature study center built in the year 2017. The Morni Fort is a modest stone masonry structure built sometime in the 17th century atop the Morni Hill at a height of about 1,200 meters. The fort is strategically located and dominates the road to Badial. The fort is completely obscured from view from the roadside by the thick canopy of tall eucalyptus trees that have been planted all along the hilltop on all sides of the fort. A brightly painted Shiv temple stands outside the eastern gate and breaks the gloom presented by the quiet deserted fort and the shade of the eucalyptus trees. The fort overlooks the Morni town. It has an entry gate from the eastern side. It has 4 towers. The fort was in a state of ruin when the Haryana Forest Department took over its possession in 1977 from the Mirs of Morni. The fort was thereafter extensively renovated and restored to its original look in 2009. Care was taken during the restoration to use the same materials for the masonry works like lime powder and fly ash as were used in the original construction. A couple of modern rooms were added inside the fort for the tourists. There was a water reservoir in the center of the fort which has now been filled up. The air circulates through the vents in the domes to keep the atmosphere cool during the summer months. The Forest Department of Haryana converted the fort into a museum and nature study center in the year 2017. The museum houses old photographs of the fort and endangered birds and animals. The museum also spreads awareness about dangers of the use of plastic and effects of pollution. The museum at the Morni Fort informs the visitors about the threats to Mother Nature created by uncontrolled development and cutting of the forests. Hope you have liked this video. Other videos on exciting travel locations and monuments are also available on this channel. Do explore these videos and also do like, share and subscribe this channel.